Small businesses with employees of 50 or more must realize that they are going to be required to carry health insurance for their employees, affordable health insurance for their employees, or they will be faced with penalties from the IRS. Businesses with less than 50 employees are not required to carry health insurance. However, they may want to carry health insurance for their employees, but if they're going to, they have to look for this health insurance through the SHOP network to make sure that it's qualified health insurance to be able to take advantage of their tax credits. Many small businesses are owned by individuals, and they may have, the owners may have 2, 3, 4 different businesses. The owners now have to look at not only the individual business, but how many employees in total that they have for each business. A business owner may own a restaurant in Philly, Harrisburg, and Pittsburgh, and maybe have 25 employees in each location. He, therefore, though, has 75 total employees, so he's over the 50 limit, even though he only has, again, 25 in each location. From years 2010 through 2013, small employers were able to purchase health insurance outside the network and receive a credit for that. However, starting in 2014, business owners must purchase health insurance through the SHOP program. If they purchase it through the SHOP program, they will still be entitled to the small employer tax credit for health insurance. However, if they don't, even though they would be entitled to the deduction on their tax return, they will not be entitled to the credit for that. Employers with greater than 250 or more W-2s must report the health care on the W-2. Employers of less than 250 W-2s are not required to report the health care cost on the W-2 as of right now. The IRS has temporarily suspended the reporting for employers under 250 W-2 reporting. The Affordable Care Act already started additional taxes in 2013. In 2013 came about the net investment income tax and the additional tax on the additional Medicare tax. For married couples, this started at $250,000. The net investment income tax is 3.8% of net investment income, which is interest, dividends, capital gains. The additional Medicare tax is on wages for a married couple over $250,000. That's 0.9%. ALEs, or applicable large employers, who fail to provide affordable health care insurance for their employees would be subject to penalties. The penalties work in this fashion. An employer who has over 50 employees, such as 60 employees, will be subject to a penalty on 30 of those. The IRS rules state that you take 30 from how many number of full-time employees that you have and multiply that number by $2,000.